Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody, all the excellencies, all highnesses, all dignitaries, friends, my colleagues, Jason, Jackie, Mr. Van Dam, who's busy eating and not listening to me. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Turki Al-Sheikh, to have us over here. Thank you, all of you. Myself and all the three guests here have been talking about the hospitality, the warmth, the goodness and the love that has been showered upon us. And for most of us, it is our first trip here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So thank you, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, for giving us so much love. And inshallah, we all wait with bated breaths because cinema has opened up here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You have so many new stories to tell. And we as the world look forward to being of help in any which way that we can come forward in terms of technology, in terms of working out all the stuff that you need for filmmaking and general entertainment. I think functions like this are very heartening, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Extremely grateful for having me in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and also personally very grateful for making me meet my superheroes, Mr. Jackie Chan, Van Damme, and Jason Momoa. Thank you so much. Thank you.